Hi, I'm Ash K. Holm, celebrity makeup artist and Falscara ambassador. Falscara is a #1 DIY lash extensions kit, and while I didn't think it was possible, Falscara has gotten even better. Their kits and multi-packs now include more wisps and new and improved overnighter, extending wear up to 14 days. Let's start the application process. Use the first side of the brush to apply bond as you would apply mascara. Apply to a small section at a time so you can take your time placing each wisp without the bond drying out. Apply one wisp at a time, starting with the outer corner and working your way in. Pro tip, put seal on applicator to prevent stickiness. Squeeze the wisps with your natural lashes with the applicator or your fingers for a more secure hold. Brush the seal along the band line to remove any remaining stickiness and to keep the wisps in their place. To extend the wear up to 14 days, brush or dab a light coat of overnighter under the wisps. Reapply 2 to 3 additional coats as needed for maximum hold. Removing Falscara is a breeze. Saturate a cotton pad with Falscara Remover and hold the cotton pad on your eye. After 30 seconds, gently massage the wisps away. Now go ahead and give it a try and let me know how you like them.